Hi guys! This afternoon we are going to read Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. And in this story we are going to find all different sorts of transportation. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. I wonder where he's going. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, 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 isn't it pretty? I see a motorcycle and a bus. Towering buildings scrape the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Look how small he is. He's teeny tiny. And the buildings are so big. Zoom, roared the trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Look at all those different kinds of cars on the road. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters. Rides are us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud, I'm first, you're last. There's Little Blue Truck, see him? And there's a grocery truck and the double-decker bus. Wee-oo, went a siren, coming through. Busy police car, things to do. Oh, that's the police car. Swish, swash, swoosh, went the big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move it, little beeper. This is a street sweeper. I see him. He drives by my house every now and again. Make way, yelled the limousine, the longest car you'll ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor, inside. I'm important. Move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Can you guys see Little Blue? Do you see him in there? I do. There he is. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue, for goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and the engine died. He was standing right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue, would you like a ride? Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck, this good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in a line with vans and taxis. It all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. There's the grocery truck and the taxi and the street sweeper and the double-decker bus. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue and everyone waved to Little Blue. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for the little blue truck who led the way. The end. Where do you think he's going? I think he might be going home. I hope you guys enjoyed our story and I can't wait to read another one with you later.